guys, Thomas here, Leopard Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit. Just finished a 3-car session here. Went on real good. X-Max sledge and the Traxxas ERevo. So I'm gonna do some kind of a breakdown, or at least try to explain what I'm using, what kind of stuff in my car. This is ERevo 2.0. Okay, we can start with electronics. Leopard 4275 2K motor, Max6 EC. The motor is chilled with a Thunder Rose 27K from a separate 3S LiPo that I'm mounting at the old servo spot. And the EC are chilled with a 18K fan. The servo is a Savöx 1256 TG, working good. Also for upgrades besides the electronics, aluminum rear chassis brace, center shafts, Traxxas original ones in steel. Diff wise, if I'm not mistaken, 10K rear, 200K mid, 80K front. Shock oil, front rear, I think it's 900 CST, stock springs. I have, since the outdrive's worn out really fast on this car, I bought a new set and rehardened them myself. Downside, they are getting extremely hard. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, I missed a part there and a little piece there. But the fronts, these are the stock one, original, came with the car, are worn. But the rear was finished approximately 8 or 9 packs, almost double the size of this. So this is how I run it. No limits wraps or whatsoever, working really well. Prolines 3.8 classic Badlands with copper red tubes, and I'm sending all my cars, for example, from that edge of the pile down to the bottom, and it just works. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I'll try to answer them. So that's it. Thanks. Well, Traxxas ERevo 2.0 down the gravel pit here, Leopard Rc-Xtreme Max6 upgraded, still running the Leopard 2K 4275, chilled with Thunder Rose fans. Actually don't remember the gearing. Again, I don't want to land on that rock. Yeah. Yeah, see what we can do here. Nothing too spectacular. Boring. Jumping here, then we might fall today. I got a sledge, but it feels like I'm pretty done today. Maybe looks pretty smooth. Besides that, of course. Good job, Thomas. Excellent. Car coming.